Hello everyone. Now let's take a look at the task number 5. So in this task, you are asked to display another diamond. But this time when you display the diamond, you need to include those asterisk keys, right? For example, starting from the third line till the last third line, you have to include the asterisk keys. So on the third line, we will have one asterisk key. And on the first line, we will have two asterisk keys. Of course, there's a space between the asterisk keys as well. And then fourth line, in this line, you will have three asterisk keys. Okay. So previously, we have already completed this diamond shape. Now please create this class named Diamond2 and copy paste the codes that you have written in your previous task. So this is the main method that we had in the previous task. I copy pasted into this class. Now I can just start to work on it starting from right here. So I need to display the asterisk key starting from here, right? So I can include this asterisk key. But every time when I include asterisk key, you see, it is shifting the next character to the right. To make sure that the next character will not be shifted to the right, I will take out one additional space so that I can have this asterisk key. And in the next line, I will also do the same thing. In the next line, I'm supposed to have two asterisk keys, right? So after this slash, I have to include one more space and then give the asterisk key. And then there is also space and then the asterisk key. Okay. And while you are giving those additional characters, without even running the code, you are able to tell that the backslash character, it is keep shifting to the right. So you could take out some additional space to make it align it with the previous print statement's characters. And then in the next print statement, we have to include three asterisk keys. So after the slash, we have to have one more space. And then after that space, we will give asterisk key, space, asterisk key, space, asterisk keys, right? And of course, take out those additional spaces and make sure that it is aligning well with the previous backward slash characters. So now let me run the program. You see, we have successfully inserted those asterisk keys at the type of the diamond, right? And now I will continue to work on the bottom part of the diamond. So after the backslash character, after one more space, I need to start to add the asterisk keys. So this line, it needs to have three asterisk keys in total. So this is my first asterisk key, and before give the second asterisk character, I will give this space and then give the asterisk character, and I will continue to do the same. So three asterisk keys I already have given so far, and as you can see, there are also a couple spaces I have to take it out. Right now, let me run it. Seems like one more space I have to take it out. So make sure you run your code, see the output, and see if they are aligning well or not, those backward and forward slash characters. If they are not, then some additional spaces you have to take it out. And in the next print statement, we have to include two asterisk keys, 1, 2, right? And this forward slash character, it has to be aligning with the previous print statement's forward slash character. Okay. And lastly, in this print statement, we have to include one asterisk key. And if you added one asterisk key, make sure you take out the one next space character. So that lastly, you will have the shape of diamond on the console. So this is the solution for this task. And also you see, after adding all those characters, make sure that the top and bottom are aligning well with those forward and backward slash characters. If any of them has additional space or less space, then you need to add or remove the additional space in order to make it look like this diamond shape.